Historic win last night in the NBA. The Golden State Warriors surpassing the Bulls record overnight, notching their 73rd regular season victory. ABC's TJ Holmes, he's here. He was up, he saw it all. Good morning, TJ.
Yeah, Robin, and you know this was considered one of those hallowed, unbreakable NBA records. Nobody's ever going to get 100 points in a game like Wilt. Nobody's ever going to get 8 championships in a row like the Celtics. Nobody's ever going to get 72 wins in a season like the Bulls. The Warriors did it. They got to 73, and they made it look kind of easy.
It's official, number 73.
Golden number 73.
The greatest regular season now belongs to the Golden State Warriors.
A new regular season record on the back of this man, Steph Curry.
Curry for three. It's good.
Who led the way with 46 points as Golden State beat the Memphis Grizzlies.
Green, back to Curry. Bang!
With his 8th three-pointer, the NBA's reigning MVP became the first player in history to make 400 threes in a season.
Fashion West, Curry does it. 400 three-pointers.
I was able to kind of toe the line a couple times, knock it down, and things started to flow.
The Warriors surpassed the 95-96 Chicago Bulls' 20-year reign as the winningest team ever. Michael Jordan congratulating the Warriors overnight, writing, "Records are made to be broken." Warriors head coach Steph Curry, who played on that Bulls team, made history once again.
I will say the same thing now that I said 20 years ago. I don't think this one will ever be broken.
And you were saying just a second ago about relief. Those guys last night looked almost relieved to have this whole run over. And now it's time to go to the playoffs. They don't win the championship now, and then people can say, "Oh, you're really the greatest team." So
That's it.
now they got that to deal with.
They got to win the championship.
400 three-pointers.
400. I was just saying, Magic Johnson didn't attempt that many in his entire NBA career. He made 400.
Wow. Just incredible.